Chef Curt Live. We're going to make the salmon marinade. It's in your grilled salmon plank kit that we're going to show you. Cedar Plank kit. On the back, you got the care instructions, you got the marinade, and the spinach gratin. So let's open it up and start with your marinade. We're going to first start off with a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now we're going to take a cup of maple syrup. And I like to use either the gluten-free or the low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to use a cup of that. And then 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. 1, 2, pretty good, huh? Now we need a tablespoon black pepper. 1, 2, one more just for the burn. And a tablespoon of chili flakes. That goes just about right. There we go. Whisk it. That's all it takes, guys. This will do one side plus salmon. When you do your chicken or other fishes, pork. Okay. So your salmon fillet. Skin side up. I want that flesh that's been cut towards the bone, just more porous, to get the marinade. Hit the sides, and everything comes out. Now, what I like to do is run my fingers along here. Now, I know that you're going to get a little messy, but trust me. You let this sit for an hour, and it can actually marinate faster if you let it sit out room temp for 30 minutes. Then you can go straight to the grill. But I want to put this in the fridge. Give me some time to make the spinach gratin.